What's up guys, Chris Tisdale here with COINTABLE. At the local coin show, we're gonna go inside. There's one thing that I wanted to talk about today, how to sell a coin at a coin show. First of all, every dealer, if you have something nice, every dealer you show that coin is gonna wanna buy it. The trick is you wanna sell that coin to whoever specializes in that material. If you guys have material that you're trying to sell at a coin show, don't leave money on the table. You're going for maximum money. That's what the goal should be. The guy that specializes in that material is going to pay you more money than anybody else, guaranteed, every time. Say you're selling a high-grade walking Liberty half dollar. Go up to a coin dealer and ask them who specializes in walking Liberty half dollars. And then go up to another coin dealer who specializes in walking Liberty half dollars. Because what you're looking for is you want to find the guy that specializes, and what I have personally noticed is if you find a couple of dealers, 3-4 dealers who give you the same name, that's the guy you want to take it to. That's the guy that's going to specialize in the walking Liberty half dollars. You're going to find some dealers who are going to say, I do, and that's great, maybe they do, but ask a couple of other people and find the person where you've got 3 or 4 other guys telling you, yep, so-and-so specializes in that coin. One thing I didn't mention, you probably are going to be wise if you shop it around. Dealers are okay with this. What I would personally recommend doing is just tell them right out of the gate, hey, you know, I'm looking to sell this, but I'm probably going to ask a couple of different guys what their opinion is. It's a very effective tactic, and if you do it professionally, dealers won't mind. That's how you sell a coin at a coin show. Again, this is Chris Tisdale with COINTABLE. We're going to be coming to you with a lot more tips and tricks and just insights about the business. So tell us in the comments what you guys would like to know. We appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.